My name is Shakira Shante and welcome to my channel. Okay, so by the title you could tell what we're gonna do today, and that's from all this stuff behind me, you can also tell. So today I will be finishing decorating my apartment, well at least the living room and my bedroom. I've been living here for about 4 months and I've been just doing a little bit at a time. So finally today I went to At Home and I got the rest of my stuff. I spent about $500. So hopefully I'll be done after this because I don't want to spend no more money. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna lay my rug down and just have somewhere to sit. So I'll be right back. And actually I got this rug from Ross. So yeah, right there. This right here is the table I'll be setting up. So yeah, I'm gonna be a mechanic today. I'm gonna get a knife. So this is gonna be my dining room table. This rug feels so good. Yeah. I might have opened this the wrong way, but whatever. And this thing is so heavy. Okay, so I got all the things out and I will just unwrap it. So yeah, let's get to building. Okay. I don't even think this came with instructions. So I'm gonna guess. Let me just look at the box. Oh, yes, it did. So I'm gonna start with this. And then I've never built anything a day in my life. That's what Dad was for. I'm done with the table, finally. And it seems pretty secure to me. Let's just hope that I didn't put it on the wrong, okay? started looking. And I got home and I realized I got 2 different chairs. Plain. So yeah, that's cute. Then I got this cute little flower to go on top. Like that. Just something simple. Okay, so I just finished this and I decided to put some little plates. You know how your grandma do? Put some little plates on here to give it a little more decoration. And it's looking like this. So yeah. This is my living room. And yeah. So I got this lamp here from Walmart. And I got this light bulb. It's really cool. It has a remote to go to it and I can change it to any color I want. I got a little pumpkin here just for fall vibes. And I got the pumpkin spice candle just to give it fall smells. So yeah, I got these here from At Home. I think they were like $80. And yeah, I also got these here from At Home. I just kind of put it together, got a little throw and put it over that. But yeah, this is my living room. And this is my dining room. I got this full body mirror from Hobby Lobby for like $160. This tree from At Home. I got this for about $70. These 2 chairs and this table were like $160 each. From At Home. I think this rug came from Ross. It was about $22. So yeah, this is my little small dining room for just me. My kitchen, it's not too much. Yeah, just a regular kitchen. I got me some wine and some glasses also for my wine. I bought this from Walmart, this chalkboard, and I write on it every few months. And yeah, it just kind of gives me encouragement. Is part of my bathroom. I got these here from At Home, and yeah, I love this. A place to wash worries away. I love that. But yeah, this is my bathroom. I have all my face stuff, toothbrush, everything like that. It's just a regular bathroom. And here I have like clothing and extra things of that nature. So yeah, this is my bedroom. I just fixed this up yesterday. I put that on the wall. Yeah, got a picture of me and my fiance and my bed. And I think I'm gonna add a S right there, just make it pop a little bit more. But yeah, this is my bedroom. And I'm gonna get a table to put right here and just have little things. Like I have a lot of perfume and I'll put that right there probably. This is my closet. I have a walk-in closet. It connects actually to the bathroom that I just came out of. But yeah, this is my walk-in closet. It kind of look a mess, so I'm not gonna go down and show the other part. But yeah, I love my closet because I have a lot of clothing, so this is perfect. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my apartment tour / decorating my place. If you would, just like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.